In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enchant here in Blox Fruits. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first, in order to do this, you are going to need to be in the third sea. That really is the only prerequisite. So make sure you're in the third sea. But of course, once you're in the third sea, you need to go to the Tiki Outpost and go ahead and find the Dragon Talon Sage, also known as the Enchanter. Now, before you do enchant, you also do need to collect some materials from the sea events and bosses, and you use those materials to craft scrolls. Now, there's different types. You have the common and rare. Those just help with basic stat boost. And then you have legendary and mythical for way stronger effects and special bonuses. To enchant, select whatever weapon it is that you want, either a sword or a gun, and then of course choose a scroll to apply to it. And enchantments are going to be completely random, so you might get simple buffs like extra damage or stronger effects, but you also might get different abilities as well, which is pretty nice. If you want better results, obviously use higher tier scrolls, but that is the entire process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.